we've done is I'm testing my theory about how Stanleys do not keep your ice as cold anymore. This is the newest Stanley. He's lavender. I put 8 ounces of ice in each one and 8 ounces of water at approximately 12:30. I don't know, I could look up that time whenever I left. Does not sound promising already. Sounds liquidy. I'm opening, and look. Just water, no ice. Very sad. All right, we should now look into the Christmas Stanley. This was Sydney's. Listen to that. Already 8 ounces of ice, 8 ounces of water. Look, a little bit semblance left. All right, the original, who has a poor broke arm, the 40 ounce. Not as promising as I thought. However, a little bit of ice left. So, in comparison,
I think the blue made it longer.
between the old original Stanley from last summer, which was Sydney's, which should be the exact same thing, we see a little semblance of ice, and the new spring line with the lavender, I have absolutely nothing. Once again, all given 8 ounces of ice and 8 ounces of water. That's my review of Stanley. Bye. Okay, this is a follow-up. Drinking the purple. Not very happy. Drinking the blue. Oh yeah, yeah. This tastes like the icy coldness that I was used to. Okay. Let's, I guess I need to put a straw in the pink. Okay, going with the original, Mr. Broke. Mr. Poor Broke handle. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Even Poor Broke handle, Stanley, way better, way better. It's just sad. It's just sad.